Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a crown braid. This hairstyle is so gorgeous and I think it's perfect for every season and every occasion. So let's get right into it. As always, we're going to start by brushing out the hair, making sure there aren't any knots and the hair is smooth and even. And then you can go ahead and pull out some strands in the front. This is totally optional, but if you do have like curtain bangs, face framing layers, feel free to pull them out, or if you don't want to, that's fine too. So I just take a clip and clip them away so they don't bother me while I'm braiding. Then you're going to go ahead and take a comb and make a deep side part. As a reference, you can go from the highest point of your eyebrow all the way up, and that's where your part should be. Then you can go ahead and tilt your head to the side a little bit. That would make it a little bit easier to braid. And you're going to part off a small section of hair, comb it through, and now we're going to start braiding. You simply want to part your hair into 3 even strands, and then you're going to go ahead and take the strand on the right and put it underneath the middle piece. So now the right strand is our new middle piece. Now you're going to take the left strand, put it under the middle one. And then you just keep doing this pattern for 1 round, and now we're going to start Dutch braiding. While Dutch braiding, you want to keep doing the pattern that I just showed you while adding hair to the outer strand. So as you can see, I'm adding hair to the left strand and putting it underneath the middle piece. Now I'm going to add some hair to the right strand and also put it underneath the middle strand. Keep doing this pattern over and over again. So basically you always want to take some hair from the side, add it to the outer strand, and then put the outer strand underneath the middle strand, and then do the same thing on the other side. I also have a tutorial on Dutch braiding if you want to get a little bit deeper into the topic, so feel free to check it out. I'll have a link down below or somewhere here on the screen. After you've braided about this much, you're going to start pancaking the braid. What is pancaking the braid? I'm sure a lot of you don't know, so basically it just means pulling out the strands. So you're going to hold the braid tight while using your thumb and your index finger to just pull out some strands to make it look a little more voluminous and bigger. Now you want to do this all the way around the head until there's no more hair left. While you can watch me braiding here, let me just tell you why I love this hairstyle so much. Besides the fact that it's super cute and romantic, it's just perfect for every season. Like in summer, it will keep your hair out of your neck, preventing you from sweating, and also keeping the hair out of the water. And in winter, it keeps your hair out of the neck so it doesn't get tangled up in like scarves or like your sweater. And then for spring and fall, it's just super cute for pictures, and also in fall often it's windy and then your hair won't get tangled up, and it's just, for me, the perfect hairstyle for every season, every occasion. You can style it up or down, and it's just a really nice hairstyle that I feel like should be worn more often. I'd also love to hear your opinion about this hairstyle, whether you would wear it or you wouldn't, and also, please comment down below what I should film next. Since I haven't posted on here for a long time, it would be great to hear some opinions of what you would like to see. Once there's no more hair left, you're just gonna braid a normal braid, and also you want to pancake the braid to make it look bigger, and braid it all the way down and secure it with an elastic. Now this is what it should look like. So you just have a braid from the side of your head going all around above your ear, and now you want to take the braid and place it over the beginning of your braid. And you're just gonna take some bobby pins and pin it in place. Secure everything with bobby pins, and then you can just tuck in the end of the braid under the Dutch braid and also pin it in place with bobby pins, and then you can just go ahead and pull out the strands a little more, make sure the ends are hidden well and everything looks nice and even. Now I'm just gonna go over with a comb, smoothing everything out and making sure there aren't any bumps. And if you did take out some sections in the front, you can go ahead and curl them if you want to. That's obviously optional, but I think it gives it a really romantic and cute look. And that is the finished hairstyle. I think it looks super cute and romantic and is just great for every occasion. And of course it also keeps your hair out of the face, out of your neck. So it's perfect for every season. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Bye!